up your bike, come over to me, and turn it on, come on, it's like, off with you.
If you got a bit of red in your bike now, it'll be all over it too.
Jesus, I couldn't put any more. No matter what bell we come in, we always seem
The man laid it up against the pole there like the French fashion model or something like that.
Welcome back. We're now on day 12 and as you can see from the map in front of us, we're near full circle in relation to our trip around France. Let's look at today's trip. We have 404 kilometers and we're heading from Rouen, stopping off at Utah Beach, and obviously final destination is Saint-Malo. It's going to take well over 4 hours to do this. Most of it is motorway, as you'll see. We head out on the A13 onto the E46, E3 and then A4, following that on into Saint-Malo and along the coast there. Let's stop the waffling, let's get into the video, and as always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.
Man in the camper van there.
Yeah.
Now iron up your bike, come over to me, and turn it on, come on, it's like, off with you.
If you got a bit of red in your bike now, it'll be all over it too.
Jesus, I couldn't put any more red on me.
Ah, well now, yeah, you just a stripe of white.
Yeah.
Hey, the back box is white.
Top San Michel over there in the distance, look. See it?
Class. Lovely place. Lovely place. Something else.
Good, well, so we only got a half a dozen each.
I've got 738 million euro.
Yeah. Saint-Malo is 44, Dinan is 45, so they're about an hour apart. This is wild.
Be a minute too late. You'd be arse kittens.
There in 12 minutes.
Ah, yeah, gosh. Last 12 minutes.
Being inlet off the sea, I'd say we're fairly close to the sea again.
That on the main road's probably in about that town. Very bit cheap. We far off it out.
Nice and mild here, 16 degrees.
Yeah.
We haven't seen the 34 degrees that we saw the other day.
No.
It's funeral home. Jesus Christ almighty.
No, someone dying.
No matter what bell we come in, we always seem
The man laid it up against the pole there like the French fashion model or something like that.
better get off the bike, run over, give him a slap, and then jump on the bike, get away. Excuse me, what? Do we miss you? Bang! I still haven't seen a Renault 5 yet. I'm a bit disappointed.
That's always actually when I seen the Twango, or Twingo, whatever you want to call it, come on to the motorway. I was like, jeez, I meant to show you Renault 5. I'll do it as soon as we remind me now we get to the spot.
Actually, let's see one. See one. I could look them up on the internet, but I want to see one in the flesh.
Oh, yeah.
One down after. Not straight away, because I don't want to hit that thing. Not this turn, the next turn.
Down here.
Down here to the right, yeah. Let these plastics across the road.
Get that gear shot. That's the hotel there, isn't it?
I hope you brought your own towel.
You thought the one in Cahors was bad.
Well, this is, it says it's Ibis budget centre, so centre, it should be centre-ish enough to town,
Yeah.
hopefully. It says we'll be there in 5 minutes. Down here and do a U-turn. Down here and find out the hotel was sold 3 weeks ago.
Well, mate.
That's it there on the left, look, over there in the grey building.
Yeah.
We probably could have crossed over there, but there's a cop car halfway up the traffic there, would have seen us. It's close to the end. I'm taking your bag.
You know what we say,
No, you're not.
so they just want to get something off it.
There you are, you fuck you. With the big red lad device. There's your man has Schumacher written on the back of the car, look. Citroen baby, Schumacher, with a baby on board. Did you see it down here on the boot list?
Oh, yeah.
Schumacher. Really fucking see stuff. $70 for petrol here. Oh, sorry, 180. 181.
Jeez, it's a bit more expensive, isn't it?
There's a big difference, like 20 cents. Right here and out the road.
But sure, look and see what way we're going tomorrow, sure not. We'll have juice to get us out. We have to go out that road tomorrow. So.
Oh, hold on. Now, do you remember which one it is?
This one, yeah, this one. Let's put her in there.
We're at an angle. I'm going to get the two of them in.
Yeah. See what? Yeah. Hard to see that they have a. This is the wrong budget hotel. It's the wrong budget hotel. That'll be the wrong budget hotel.
12 over the line. So let's look at the cost from Rouen to Saint-Malo. Distance travel 404 kilometers. Fuel cost 19 litres at an average of about 170 a litre, €31.81. Food during the day €9.65. Ibis Hotel in Saint-Malo plus even a meal €73.20. Total cost day 12 €114.66. Total cost of trip so far €1,738.59. Total distance covered so far 3,304 kilometers. Day 12 done. We're on to day 13 next, which is our last run of this trip. Stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Give us a like if you like the videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Talk to you then.